Hello there. My name is Chase Phillips, and I will be doing the science video for energy diagrams and how does energy flow from inside the Earth to outside the Earth on the Earth's surface in the context of plate tectonics. Now, this is the layers of the Earth. We have the solid inner core, we have liquid outer core, the mantle, and then the crust over here. Now, their thermal energy and heat is able to rise through convection because the layers are touching each other. Therefore, the inner core's heat is able to rise via a convection interaction. It loses thermal energy, and the outer core gains thermal energy. And the same will happen with the mantle over here. The outer core will, through a convection interaction, lose thermal energy, and the mantle will gain thermal energy. And the same thing will happen between the mantle and the crust's rocks, or the crust. It'll lose thermal energy through a convection interaction, and the crust rocks will gain thermal energy. Now, what do the crust rocks mean? In a converging or even diverging tectonic plate motion, there are rocks in between the plate boundaries, and with enough pressure, these rocks will, through enough heat and pressure, there will be a time where these rocks will get some kinetic energy. Well, they'll first gain elastic potential energy, and then they'll gain kinetic energy over time, and the rocks moving will allow for these plate tectonics to move as well. The mantle will be guiding through the heat and pressure, so the plate tectonics can move. So, through a contact push-pull interaction, as the mantle is rising up and trying to move the plate boundaries and the plates, the mantle will lose kinetic energy, but the crust rocks will increase in elastic potential energy. And soon enough, the surface rocks, aka the crust rocks, will start to break and they will lose elastic potential energy, which will cause for an earthquake wave motion, which will cause earthquakes in a contact push-pull interaction, and this will create the motion to be increasing in kinetic energy, just with the P waves and S waves. And furthermore, the earthquake wave motion will decrease in kinetic energy, and the surface rocks will increase in kinetic energy. Now, another side interaction is the earthquake wave motion. As the plates are moving, the kinetic energy of the wave motion will decrease, and if it affects something like a building, a building and town will increase in kinetic energy, which cause it to topple over or just move a bit. Yeah, that is the end of energy diagrams and how does energy flow from inside the Earth to out in the context of plate tectonics. Thank you very much, and I will hope you all will have a very nice day.